Today a very basic item to unbox. It's a bicycle computer or a speedometer from Sigma. It's BC 5.16 and we have mounting hardware and the sensor wire, owner's manual, although it's very simple, and yeah, this is the speedo. This is not the, obviously the screen is not on, this is just a sticker. So I will set it up on my bike and show you what it looks like when it's mounted. The weight of the speedometer itself is 18.2 grams. The sensor and the mounting bracket is 13.5, and the wheel magnet 5.2 grams. So you'll add to the weight of your wheel, obviously. So these rubber straps and everything together, including these two blocks of rubber. I think they are for like spacers, rubber spacers for this thing. I don't think you need two, so I'll just weigh without one. Everything all in weighs 37.27 grams. I think that's not bad at all. One of the cool things about the Sigma is that you can not only mount it on the handlebar, but you can mount it on a stem. You can undo these 4 screws and remount this frame onto this bracket, rotate it 90 degrees, and you have a stem mountable speedometer, which is actually very important, and I'll show you why when I have it mounted. This is mounted on the bike. As I said, I have center mounted it on the stem. The wire is twisted around the brake line, and I have used one rubber spacer here. And it's very beneficial to have it mounted on the stem, because I can place my hands on the bars like this and have another position for arms, this arrow position. And overall, since I have this uncut steer tube and these spacers here, I can even turn this bike upside down, and the computer is protected by the steer tube, and overall it just looks really nice. It's black like the bars and the stem, and looks like it's meant to be on this bike. There are very similar other models. I think they have like 9 point something or 7 point something, where they have this speed digits bigger, much bigger, which is very important actually, but just locally they didn't have. In the shop I was looking at, they didn't have those models, so I ordered this one. And overall the quality feels really good, and we'll see how it serves me. Usually these speedometers don't last very long. They have a very hard life. The last one was run over by a bus, so that one was very cheap, no-name brand. This is much more upmarket. Still, it's 20 euros, so we'll see how it works out.